Absolutely.
One of our key considerations while developing AppleWorks 4.0 was to maintain its ease of use. With all the new features we were putting into it, questions would arise as to where we were going to put them all, and we took pains to ensure that they were done in such a way that the user would not lose the ease of use that was present in prior AppleWorks.
What we did was discuss the different features which we thought were useful, analyze them, do preliminary programming if necessary, and through the process of hard work and time realize what could be accomplished realistically. We felt that we've given you in AppleWorks 4.0 the maximum number of features which could possibly be put in the available space in the time we had to complete this project.
Thanks for upgrading to AppleWorks 4. We're sure you'll find it a worthwhile investment in your computer's future. Version 4 of AppleWorks features major enhancements to every facet of the program's operation, while maintaining the ease of use AppleWorks is famous for. In the database, the relational import and export features make it possible to look up information in another database. For example, you can automatically get a student's name from your master student list when you type in a student ID, or fetch an item description from your inventory database when you type a part number. Your changes can be automatically exported to update your master database. You can even enter difficult to remember information from a pop-up glossary. Masks let you enter formatted information like phone numbers with ease and consistency. And the new calculated categories with their new, more powerful formulas let you perform spreadsheet-style manipulations on your data.
The database had remained largely unchanged since AppleWorks version 1.0, so we made that a focus of our attention in this version.
One of the exciting new database features is the expansion from 30 categories per record to 60. At the same time, we added 2.5 times the amount of space for each individual record and also increased the number of reports from 20 to 30.
The spreadsheet also gets relational features. That's right, your formulas can now access cells in more than one spreadsheet.
The spreadsheet was improved with such features as 3D imports, the ability to look into another spreadsheet. We realized the spreadsheet needed the 3D feature to bring it in line with the 1990s.
And new date math features, text handling functions, and find and replace give AppleWorks the power you need to perform sophisticated projections and calculations. In the word processor, a glossary feature lets you import names and addresses or other information from a database and format them according to your specifications.
This is something I saw in a Macintosh program, realized how useful it was, and also realized we could do an even better version of it in AppleWorks so that Apple II users could have even more power than Macintosh users trying to do the same thing.
And a split window feature lets you work in one part of a document while keeping your eye on another. Outside of its 3 modules, AppleWorks features even more power, including 3 desktops that can hold up to 36 files, 3 independent clipboards, and the ability to edit them directly, and a complete set of disk and file maintenance utilities, plus built-in timeout and init manager make adding more new features a breeze. In all, there are literally more than 100 new features in AppleWorks 4. And the built-in macro player adds even more open-ended power. Now you can harness the power of AppleWorks with a touch of a key. Macros are pre-compiled sets of keystrokes and commands that you initiate from a menu or by pressing one simple key combination.
For example, simply pressing a key combination could allow you to print a document without answering any of the questions normally asked. By the same token, one can press a key and add files to the desktop again with only one keystroke.
Dozens of useful one-touch commands are included, and many more are available on the one-touch commands disk and from third parties. You can even create your own one-touch commands with optional Ultra Macros package. The more you use AppleWorks 4, the more you'll understand why we call it the most significant AppleWorks upgrade in history. More power, more speed, better integration with an Apple II and AppleWorks 4. Your Apple will work harder than ever for you.